Good morning, everyone. I'm here to explain to you your trimester one final project. We decided instead of giving you a test this year that we were going to give you a project. You've been working very hard on data analysis and probability and integers that we figured, why don't we take some of those words we've used as well as investigate some new words. So we are going to have you do a math A to Z project. So you are going to be creating a Google slide presentation, and I know you can read through this yourself, but I'm going to go through it. You are going to research mathematical terms for each letter of the alphabet. We are only requiring you to do 20 letters of the 26, but if you want to shoot for all 26, we would love to see it. Use words that you know already, but at the same time, for some that you don't, research, find out some new words, learn some new math words, build that mathematical vocabulary. You can use Google to search. You can just say, what is a math term for the letter M? And it will give you different math terms. There's some math dictionaries on there. You can use your workbooks or your notes to see what we've already done this year to fill in some so it doesn't take as much time. One thing though, you cannot use numbers for the letters. So for Z, you can't use 0, T2, O1. They have to be mathematical terms that make you do something in math. Make sure to cite your sources and give credit for that. The last page, so you can either do it on each individual slide or you can do it at the end. Every page is going to have the letter, the mathematical term, an explanation of what the term means. Make sure you write that in your own words. We don't want all that mathematical terminology. We want you to put it into your own words. And then a picture, symbol, or example. This project is due Friday, December 4th. So you have 2 weeks to get that into us. So you have all of this week to work on it, knowing that on November 30th, you will have new math assignments. This project is worth 20 points. You get 1 point per slide, and it is 10% of your grade. So Mr. Hanson, Miss Ozzie, and I will be grading you on, do we see the letter on each slide? Do you have the math term? Do you have the math explanation in your own word? And do you have a picture, symbol, or example? There will be a possible 5 extra credit points for creativity and uniqueness for you making it your own. You don't have to make it super creative if you don't want to, but for those who like to, we wanted to give you the opportunity to get some extra points there. We have given you some pre-made slides. You can use those or you can delete what's on those and make your own. This project is going to help your grade. Right now, we're missing 10% of our grade out of that big pie chart we looked at the beginning of the year. So this is going to fill that 10% in. So you can control your grade on this one. Make it awesome, make it great. But on the other hand, if you do not complete this project, your grade will drop an entire letter grade. So if you're at a C, you will end the trimester at a D. If you're at an A minus, you would end at a B minus. So this is going to help your grade. Don't skip it. We want you to have fun. We wanted you to do something different. You've been working so hard on notes and homework and quizzes. Be creative, think outside the box with the terms you choose. Learn some new mathematical terms. Review some that you know. Usually this is an end of year project, but we decided to do it as more of an exploratory beginning of the year project. An example that I created was hyperbola. So here's the letter H. The word is hyperbola. Here's an example. I used Google Images to get the letter H, and then I used mathisfun.com/geometry hyperbola to get my image and my definition, which I did put in my own words. A hyperbola is 2 curved lines that go on forever. They are called branches. The branches are symmetrical to each other. There is a line of symmetry between the 2 branches. The asymptotes show the direction the curves will continue in. So here's one example of a word that I figured many students would not know that you could add to your vocabulary. You cannot use this one as one of your pages though. This is just a sample. I also did one more. This one was a little bit more basic, a little bit faster. Again, put the letter on here. Here, down here are my resources. I chose greatest common factor and I put it in my own words. So I didn't necessarily have to research what a greatest common factor was. When given 2 numbers, the greatest common factor is the largest number I can divide each number by. And then here is my example of 4 being the greatest common factor. At the end of this presentation, again, will be a page. If you choose to add your own resources, you can. So again, this project is due December 4th. Mr. Hanson, Miss Ozzie, and myself all have office hours Monday this week from 1:30 to 3:30, Tuesday this week from 1:30 to 3:30, and Wednesday this week from 1:30 to 3:30. So if you have any questions, please hop on our, not Google Meets, my apologies, our Zooms, and ask us questions. If you want to just double check on something, please do know we're here for you. Have fun with this project to get it turned in as soon as you can so we can start grading those. I hope everyone has a great week of distance learning. Thank you.